Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. You all are amazing, all right? So today is July 22nd and I decided to do a vlog out of this video. Actually, I went to work, okay? It's the work day, all right? So I just finished having my lunch. All right, then I was like, I need to fix this. This is how my kids will put stuff inside the pantry, and this is how it will look like. So I got tired of this because sometimes I want to get some of my own personal things and they already block it with their own stuff at the front because the snack they eat, some of them I don't eat it. Okay, so I decided I'm going to fix this place and I wanted to bring you guys along. Sorry about the noise. Okay, you know, this is a vlog and I have my kids around at the same time. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section and give me likes, share, and please subscribe if you haven't before. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
Shut up. Hey, kind of you. Come on, Mom. No!
Nobody's worried about you.
No, Mom. Don't do that. Mom, I'll do the video game. I'll do the video game. No. I'll do the video game.
You see, guys, these are my own stuff. This is coconut oil, okay, and this is coconut water, part of what I use to make my smoothie. When I want to make my smoothie, most time I don't use milk, I use coconut water to give me more energy. All right, so those are my own stuff. See, they are all way behind their snack. So how do I want to get there? I don't know. So that's why I started to fix this. So let's keep on going. All right. And when I want to drink tea, I drink, see, all natural. This is peppermint. And I do drink Lipton. Okay, like, I'm not really a coffee person. I drink more tea. And this is ginger tea, you see. I have different type of tea. I have this one also. This is turmeric vitality. This is turmeric tea. All right, those are the kind of tea that I drink. So, yes, I'm about to fix this place. Like, I'm really excited to do this.
Mommy.
Even my pap, the dry one, is way behind. Look at it. See, I have to stretch all the way. See, how do I want to get that out? This is a pap, the dry one, Ogi. You see, but it's all the way behind their snack. So basically all I'll be doing is to start putting stuff into the storage, the ones I showed you guys from the beginning. This, and I didn't show you guys this, but you see, this one I put all their brownies and cake. They are individually wrapped. They are all from Dollar Tree, okay? Even this container is from Dollar Tree. It has the clip-on at the side. So the idea is to bring out some of the ones that they can eat when they are done. Then I will take from the boxes up there, they refill it instead of having everything around here. So in order not to bore you guys out, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in then rearrange and show you guys what it looks from before and after. All right. So what I actually forgot to mention is the title of this video. Of course, it's a vlog. At the same time, it's the Dollar Tree Kitchen Cabinet Makeover. All right, Dollar Tree Kitchen Cabinet Makeover. That's the title of this video. All right, guys. So we went from this. I already emptied this one, and I put it in here into this place. The good thing about this storage is you can just open it here and dispense whatever amount of popcorn that you want. Okay, that's the good stuff. The good thing I like about this one. So you close it back when you're done. This is $1, all right? So let me keep going, okay? So guys, I just wanted to run this by you as well. You don't have to be worried that it's going to lose its taste or the flavor or whatever, because these containers are really tight, like hair tight, like it snaps on really good. So you don't have to worry that, oh, my chips are going to lose the taste. I feel like this is it looks really good like this. They can just grab whatever they want and just go. So it just make this place look, it's going to make this place look better than the way it used to look. All right, this is why I decided to do this makeover, because I got tired of looking at that place like that. For candies lover out there, for me, I don't really do candy. Like once in a blue moon, I'll do it, honestly, because I'm human. But once in a blue moon, like seriously, once in a blue moon. So this I found in Dollar Tree, of course. You have a lot in there, like assorted. You see, it said hottest mix, assorted at candy. See, look at that, a lot in there. So that's my little one just doing his thing at the other corner there. So I just bought one bag of it, and this is the second one inside this little one. So just go like this and just cover it. So this one is not from Dollar Tree, of course. This one we bought it from Walmart in a set. But I just wanted to show you, like, this crackers is from Dollar Tree. See how long it is and the quantity inside. So I normally pour this inside this place. So this time I bought them, see, I bought them 3 bags. So I'm going to fill this one up. Then I'll put it in another side of the cabinet because it can't fit into where I put the rest of their snack. Okay. So with this one too, they can just dispense the amount of cookie they want from here. This we use the rest of the other one of this. We use them to store cereal on this side of the cabinet. So some of the cereals are in there, but this one happens to be the empty one that I normally put this animal crackers, because my youngest one really like this crackers. So I normally buy it like a lot. See.
There's 2 side passes. Mommy, you gotta get a lot of side passes. I want a lot of side passes.
So the idea is the one that are in boxes are the ones this is where I'm going to be refilling from. When they are done with this, then I'll come up here and pick up whichever one that is empty and refill it. Just like, just like that. That's why I left the boxes up there, and I put my tea on that corner because I can reach it easily when I want to make my tea. And that is it. I just put, just for them to look presentable and easy to get through, compared to the way it was looking before. It's so difficult to see what is that, what is this, and it will take somebody forever to be able to look for something in there. So this is just the makeover that I decided to do for this particular cabinet. Other cabinets, I don't know when I'm going to work on them. Well, if I open that place for you guys, it's a mess. It's a total mess, okay? See, they're in a mess. See, I've not fixed this. See, this is where I put the other one, because it can't fit into that. This is the crackers, the animal crackers that I told you guys about. So this place are still in a mess. Other series are under there somewhere, but I need to get more of these ones in order to, if I open the other side, guys, I don't want to open it. You're all going to laugh. It's total mess. Anyway, like I said, I'm here to fix this other side. But I mean, for my kids, they should be comfortable to get their snacks now. They don't have to like dig in and looking, guessing what's this, what's that. So I put everything in order. So I hope you all enjoy watching this Dollar Tree cabinets makeover. I mean, this is the easiest way to do it, so that they can be able to get through and it look neater than the way it used to look. All right, hope you all enjoy watching this. Please let me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.